Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to create professional scientific illustrations by using an amazing tool designed specifically for scientists and researchers. It's called BioRender. BioRender is a web-based tool that allows us to create high-quality professional images that we can use in our research and publications. It has a huge library of pre-made icons and templates related to biology, molecular pathways, immunology, and more. There are a number of templates inside BioRender that you can use, and you can also customize them according to your need. You may click on any of the template or illustration and can use it. It is basically top-down proteomics in bacteria illustration. Now, to use this tool, you can either log in or sign up. Now here you can create illustrations, poster builders, and graphs. Let's create illustration in this video. You can use different icons like cell types, proteins, nucleic acids, and can use their icons according to your diagrams. In this video, I'm going to create a diagram of skeletal muscle cells along with neurons. Like this. Here we are using the free plan, that's why there is logo of BioRender. But don't worry, I will show you how to remove it and you can use it in your research and publications. Now to use this image, you can directly import it into your Word file or you can copy it by right clicking on this image and then paste it in your document. You can use the feature of cropping image to remove the logo, or we can say the thumbnail of BioRender. So that's it for this video. Now you know how to create professional scientific illustrations using BioRender. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.